everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the ngmodels United 757-300, the new Evo Blue livery. This was an April 2024 release, November 78866. Super excited to have this model. Well, let's get right on into it. So here's we have the beautiful box, classic NG box art, looking fantastic. So yeah, there we have it. This aircraft, interestingly enough, I've seen this aircraft quite a few times actually. Chicago, Denver, contrailing, and twice in LA. So pretty interesting. Same registration. So here we have it. Let's take a look at it. Get it out of the packaging here. So far so good, looking beautiful. I think I already took the card out of this one, to be honest. I might have already taken the card out of it. Yes, yeah, I did take the card out of it already. Alright. So here we go. Here we have it. Oh, this looks fantastic, everybody. Let's get the camera readjusted here. Here we have the model. Looks absolutely stunning. So let's take a look at some of the detail. Up front, got the cockpit windows. Looks like it's a little dirty there. There we go. Cockpit windows looking fantastic. Excellent detail around the front there. United slogan, Star Alliance logo. Gears looking fantastic. Great detail there. E-top, is that E-tops? Yeah, E-tops, and I think it's 0886, something like that there. It's hard to tell, but it's great detail though. Main door there, L1 door. United titles looking fantastic. Seems like the plane's just a little bit dirty. There we go. Ooh. Antenna on the top there, looking very nice. L2 door. This is a long, boys. You can see it's a nice stretched front part there. Coming up to the wings, got the beautiful engine. These are the Rolls-Royce, I believe. I believe these are the Rolls-Royce engines. I hope I'm not wrong about that, but correct me if I am. We have the overwing exit markings on the wings, looking very, very nice, and the winglets, fantastic as well. It seems like this, so it looks like the 300 doesn't have like the new sharper, pointy version of the winglets. They just have the standard, and that's reflected here on this model. Excellent detail on the wings and everything. Moving back at the Wi-Fi dome there, registration November 78866, and the American flag. Emergency exit door right there, the two over the wing, then technically the aft main door there. With the little numbers, which I believe it is 0866. Okay, so that's what's on the gear door as well. Right up front there, 0866. Got the Evo Blue, the tail with the globe with the Evo Blue colors now. Back part APU area is looking very nice. Put it all together. On this side, you got the bulk bin and the cargo door, looking nice. And the same up front here. So very nice. Just a nice, beautiful model overall. Love the Evo Blue livery now. There we go. Taking a look underneath. Plain and simple. Nothing really crazy. Gears looking good, and it rolls nicely. You got the antennas and whatnot, the stand hole, etc. Oh, there is no. That's right. There's no bulk bin door on the 7.5. It's just the rear cargo door there, and that's it. Okay, looking very nice. Very happy to have this model. Another 753 for the collection. I think I have the old livery one. I have the new livery one. So very, very nice. And excited to have this. So definitely recommend this model if you can still find it. It's a beautiful one. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And And with that, I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.